Golly.
That might be a striper, dude.
He's fighting. I mean, look at this dude.
Oh, it is a bassy.
It is a bass.
He's the one out here feeding. Not the Sandies, it's just him.
Yeah. Hey, stop it.
Here, you got the pliers?
Here, they're right behind me. See if you can get that out before he puts them in me. He's about to do it.
There.
Thank you.
You don't want your picture with that one? That was a good one.
I get a 4-pounder off it.
Where'd they go? Oh, another bass.
It is.
That's a good one too. Ooh, that's a really good one. Ooh. Maybe a 3. He's a 3.